So today we are going to be recapping the digraph E, and you can see on my board I've written that for you, and it's got two F's together and the letter names are E and E. So I'm just going to zip them together, and because I've zipped them together and they're two letters and one sound, it's called a digraph. Fantastic. Now when you say the sound E, your mouth has to be quite wide. You have to go E, E. And the caption action for the sound E is E, E, what do I see? So now we are going to read some E words together, just to recap. Now the E often becomes in the middle of a word. It can become at the start, it can be at the start of a word, and it can be at the end of a word, but usually it's in the middle of a word. So let's read these words together. So the first one is need, need, need. I need to go to the shop. The next one is seed, seed, like when you plant a seed. And the last one is teeth, teeth. I clean my teeth, teeth, teeth. So if you look at all these words, you can see that they are in the middle of the word. Now we practice reading some E words, let's recap and have a go at writing some words with the E sound in. So I'm going to give you some words that I'd like you to write. Every time I give you a word, I'd like you to press pause, so I stop, and you've got time to write your word, and then you press play again, and we'll move on to the next word, okay? So, the first word I'd like you to write using your piece of paper and a pen, or maybe you have a whiteboard, is sheep. 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 Have a go at writing sheep. Okay, and your next word is going to be feet. Let's segment the sounds in feet before we write. Eat. Feet. Feet. Can you write feet for me, please? Okay, brilliant. Now let's check those words. So I've written them on my whiteboard, and if they look like this for sheep, sheep, you can give yourself a tick. And the next one is eat, feet. So if yours is spelt like that, you can give yourself a tick. If it's not spelt like that, don't worry, just quickly correct it now whilst I show you the board. You might need to press pause again whilst you copy the answers down, and make sure you practice it again and again and again and again. Okay, if you would like a challenge, I'm going to give you a sentence that I'd like you to write. Now the sentence will have tricky trial words in, but it will also have two E words in. So the sentence I'd like you to write is, I will meet the Queen. Queen. I'll say that again, and I want you guys to count how many words in that sentence with me. I will meet the Queen. Fantastic. It's got 5 words in that sentence. Remember to use a capital letter, full stop at the end, and lots of finger spaces in between. And if you really want to, you can send your challenge sentence to my email address, which is eday@william.cams.school.uk, and I'll have a look and see how amazing they are. Good luck!